Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a good poached egg. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. The key to a beautiful poached egg is using very fresh eggs, as their whites hold together better. Fill a medium saucepan with about 3 inches of water. Adding 1 tablespoon of white vinegar helps the egg whites coagulate quickly. Finally, crack each egg into its own small bowl, ensuring the yolk remains intact. Now let's get to poaching. Bring your water to a gentle simmer, with small bubbles rising, but avoid a vigorous boil. You can use a thermometer to aim for 180 to 190 degrees Fahrenheit. Create a gentle swirl in the water with a spoon, then carefully slide each egg into the center of the vortex. Cook for approximately 3 to 4 minutes for a perfectly runny yolk and set whites. Do not overcrowd the pot. Cook eggs in batches if necessary. Once your eggs are cooked to your liking, it's time to remove them. Use a slotted spoon to carefully lift each egg from the water. Gently tap the spoon on a paper towel to drain any excess water, ensuring your plate isn't soggy. Season generously with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Serve your perfectly poached egg immediately on your favorite breakfast items, like crispy toast, creamy avocado, or fresh sautéed greens. To avoid common pitfalls, remember these tips. Always maintain a gentle simmer. Rapid boiling can break the egg apart. Avoid overcrowding the pot, as this lowers the water temperature and can lead to uneven cooking. If making several, you can poach them ahead of time and store them in an ice bath, then reheat in hot water for 30 seconds. With a little practice, you will consistently achieve perfectly poached eggs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.